Hey Tyson, I spoke with Isaac earlier and making this video for you to kind of show you how you could generate more leads and kind of combat against safe flight to improve your local business as opposed to the conglomerate. So usually start with your website. I'll go through your Google business profile, some ads and other things like that, and we'll get you going. So first off, I really like how you have so many videos about your website or on your website about different types of QuickFix, your brand and all that fun stuff. That's awesome. That's a really good thing for search engine optimization. But one thing I would really recommend for your website is to have more content. And the reason I say that is Google loves to see content. The videos are great, but you want the words to be there as well just to back it up. And the reason I say that is because Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what that usually means to me is a service and also location. So like windshield replacement, Pleasant Grove, or windshield replacement Laurel, or depending on where you are. So those are the different types of buyer intent keywords that I do recommend for you. The other thing you can do on all of your images or videos, let's see that. Okay, well, I can't check your alt text, but if you save your alternate text correctly on the images, they count as content as well. So I'm looking at your analytics using a third-party tool. This will give me your analytics and show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want them continuously moving up. You're currently at 0.1 and 6 due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure to be relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 17 keywords, and you have 4 people coming to your website each and every month. Based off of those numbers, your website's acting a lot like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. So if we look at some of the keywords that you're being found for, I don't know if you work in Colorado, but like auto glass replacement, Broomfield, Colorado, windshield replacement, Pleasant Grove. You're on the 5th and 6th page for those 2 keywords. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I really recommend being found for your website. Reason is those are the ones that are going to come and convert to be a customer for you. So looking at just windshield replacement Pleasant Grove, looks like SafeLight and Two Rows Auto Glass are one of the top competitors for these locations. And when you're looking at ads, this is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies right here get business right now. Is if you don't have windshield replacement or Pleasant Grove in, you see auto glass and windshields. You don't see, I guess you do see replacements, but it's not bolded. Free mobile, 80 after replacement, almost service, locally owned, same day. Like these keywords aren't even in the search or in the ad itself. So it's going to have a much lower click-through rate than it would if you had those search terms there. And then, looking at this probably takes you right to their website, safelife.com. Yeah, so like this, it's not the worst landing page I've seen, but all you do is, use this, and then it's going to take you to a contact page. But honestly, the thing is, you can click on SafeLight, it'll take you to their homepage, then you get lost, and then you won't really convert that client. So. But what a landing page really should have is, click to call, a form submit, and then what you do and where you do it on right up top, and maybe some image or videos up top that explain it as well. So that's what a good ad should look like instead of taking you to a website where you can kind of click around. And then it looks like you're being number 1 for this particular keyword in your area. So awesome job. It's awesome that you have over 400 reviews. That's really, really good. So you're doing really well. The only thing that I would recommend is maybe being found for other buyer intent keywords in your area so that you can be found for more searches here. And then going down into the your website, it looks like Auto Glass Only is one of your top competitors for this buyer intent keyword. And if you look at their website, they don't have too much content on here either. So when you start up better buyer intent keywords with more content, those authoritative backlinks and citations, we could kind of look and see, like these are the top words in your area. Or Pleasant Grove and Provo. And when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total searches will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then and then a percentage of those people going to your website will start to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So I hope this was helpful for you. I look forward to talking to you, Tyson. Please give me a call at 801-891-4701 to say if this was helpful or beneficial in any way. And we will talk soon. Thanks. Have a good one.